day, everyone. Today, I would like to discuss something very crucial. As a student, I believe that education is one of the most significant tools we can have in life. Education teaches us about the world. By school, we become familiar with the subjects in science, mathematics, history, and languages. This knowledge on the world's how to work help us mature. Education also equips us with skill that we will eventually need in our future. We prepare ourselves to get into a job and various careers as we learn to read, write, and even solve mathematical problems. These qualities will aid us in achieving success. More than that, just facts about things. Education teaches us values in life. It teaches people how to respect others, work as a team, work as a team, and solve conflicts peacefully. By doing this, we make our lives better. Education opens doors to opportunities. When we learn, we have a better chance of achieving our dreams. Whether we want to become a doctor, teacher, engineer, or artist. It also builds confidence. When we understand something new, we feel proud of ourselves. This confidence helps us face challenges in life. Education does not only assess the individual but also entire communities. When people become educated, they can serve society by sharing ideas and developing solutions to problems. Moreover, education helps make better decisions. When people learn, they become more knowledgeable and can think rationally about what is right or wrong. It also helps us understand different culture and tradition. This understanding brings people closer and creates peace. Education teaches us never to stop learning. Even after school, we can keep exploring and growing. But let us remember, education is not just about getting good grades. It is about understanding, improving ourselves, and helping others. As a student, we have this opportunity to make a difference for ourselves and the world as our studying today has a great prospect of tomorrow. So, let's be appreciative of the teacher who teaches us, the parent raising us, and those who find the time to encourage us in being educated. They believe in us so much that they want the best for us.